Good morning, friends. Today's video is very useful for understanding prepositions. I will read some fixed preposition and some words that take different preposition. You can listen this video while traveling or before sleeping using headphone and revise important prepositions easily. So let's start. So first I'm going to read words followed by prepositions. Mumbai is famous for its textile. The goat subsists on and the consists of food. Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of children. Being apprised of or approaches the whole neighborhood came out to meet their minister. In the classical age, the ideal life of the Brahman was divided into 4 stages or ashrams. India is a noble, gorgeous, and teeming with natural wealth. It is natural in every man to wish for. He was wish for distinction. He was with gifts, endowed with gifts fitted to win eminence in any field of human activity. The writer is evidently enamored of the subject. These computers are cheap enough to be accessible to most people. Ambitions does not always conduce to ultimate happiness. The true gentleman is courteous and affable to his neighbors. Newly acquired freedom is sometimes liable to abuse. Little Jack proved quite a match for the giant. Camels are peculiarly adapted to life in the desert. Here, adapted to. He is a man of deep learning. But totally ignorant of life. So, man of ignorant of. Now, the income derived from the ownership of land is commonly called rent. The Moors were famous for their learning and their skill in all kinds of industries. Alexander profited by the dissension of the Punjab Rajas. Few things are impossible to diligence and skill. I am indebted to you for your help. Ashoka, although tolerant of competing creeds, were personally an ardent Buddhist. The celebrated grammarian Patanjali was a contemporary of Pushpamit Shung. The African elephant is now confined to Central Africa. Ivory readily adapts itself to the carvist art. Coleridge poetry is remarkable for the perfection of its execution. The tree is associated with the holy tree is associated with scenes of goodwill and rejoicing. The noise from downstairs prevented me from sleeping. I am already acquainted with the latest developments of the situation. His duties were of a kind or ill-suited to his ardent, and during ill-suited were of a kind ill-suited to his ardent. Man is entirely different from other animals in utter helplessness of his babyhood. A residence of 8 years in Sri Lanka had inured his system to the tropical climate. So, residents of the ancient Greeks, though born in warm climate, seem to have been much addicted to the bottle. He, Dr. Johnson, bracket, was somewhat susceptible to flattery. A man who always connived at the fault of these children is their worst enemy. Naples was then destitute of what are now perhaps its chief attraction. Destitute of. The cat appears to have originated in Egypt or in the East. Originated in. Judged by its result, the policy of Hastings was eminently successful. Judged by. There is still no cure for the common cold. There is still no cure for. It was formerly supposed that malaria was due to poisonous. It was formerly supposed that malaria was due to poisonous exhalations. People who are averse to hard work generally do not succeed in life. Averse to. Buddhism teaches that freedom from desire will lead to escape from suffering. Subsequent upon this letter, the agents of the company filed a suit against him for defamation. Subsequent upon. Trust in God and do what is right. Trust in God. His distrust of his assistance is perhaps unfounded. His distrust of his assistance is perhaps unfounded. The country suffer for what? The country suffer for what? Want of skilled labor. He is wanting in a little common sense. Wanting in. Now I am going to read. Some related words take different prepositions after them. I acted according to his advice. In accordance with his advice, I took quinine. She has great affection for her grandchildren. The old lady is affectionate to all. The flood and ebb tides alternate with each other. The alternative to submission is submission. Alternative to submission is death. He is ambitious of fame. He is ambitious of fame. It is all due to his ambition for fame. He is capable of anything. He is capable of anything. He has not the requisite capacity for this work. He has great confidence in his assistant. He is quite confident of success. What a contrast to his brother. What a contrast between them. The present speech is mild, contrasted with his past utterance on the same subject. It is not likely to derogate from his merit. He never said or did anything derogatory to his high position. He is descended from a noble family. He is descendant of Mahatma Gandhi. He has no desire for fame. He is desirous of visiting Agra. He was equal to the occasion. He is to be blamed equally with his brother. The coat fits me well, except for the collar. I take exception to your remark. The child is fond of sweets. She has great fondness for children. The drama is founded on an episode in the Ramayana. It has, however, no foundation in fact. Child marriage is a great hindrance to progress. He hindered me from going. He is quite infatuated with her. His infatuation for that girl led him astray. He has no liking for cards. His dislike to her continued to increase. He is neglectful of his dress. I have often found him negligent in his work. They say he is partial to his friend. Children show a partiality for sweetmeats. I have no prejudice against foreigners. Such a deep will be prejudicial to your interest. Preparatory to taking extreme measure, his father once again warned him. Preparatory to. He is prepared for anything. Pursuant to our conversation, I now send you a check of rupee 500 as my contribution to the fund. In pursuance of your instructions, we are writing to today the collector. I am opinion that he is qualified for post. He is disqualified from practicing as a pleader. As a result of injury received by him, he died of tetanus. he died of tetanus. It is said that nothing resulted from the resulted from. So in this word resulted from and received by, result of, this result of and resulted from. I have great respect for his learning. He is respectful to his superior. He seized upon the opportunity offered to him. So he seized upon the seizure of his property. Seizure of his property was carried out under direct orders from the Raja. I assure you that I am sensible of your kindness. Sensible of your kindness. His paralyzed arm is insensible to feeling. Subsequent to the meeting, he wrote a letter to the Hindu. Subsequent to. Subsequent to. Right, so we are going to end this video because it took a long time. And one thing more I want to mention there, I have taken these exercises, these examples from the Rain and Martin book. So that's why they are going to be very, very important, right? You